misleading intel, mistaken identity, and trigger-happy drone operators. These are the words that describe America's botched drone strike in Afghanistan, which led to the deaths of 10 innocent civilians, including 7 children in Kabul. Now, 4 months on, the Pentagon has said that none of the US personnel would face consequences. Pentagon spokesperson John Kirby did not consider the case to be strong enough.
We don't recommend accountability. There certainly was no line in there that we recommend accountability. Their recommendations were more about procedure and process, and the Secretary reviewed them, has accepted them, and again, most of them are of a classified nature, so we won't be talking.
On August 29, an Afghan aid worker parked his car at his residence after work. His family members, including 7 children, rushed out to greet him. All 10 civilians were killed when the drone operator got the go-ahead to strike. The US drone strike took place as tens of thousands of desperate Afghans made a dash to the airport in the wake of the Taliban's takeover of Kabul. 10 Afghans, including a 2-year-old girl, killed in what was supposed to be a drone strike against an ISIS-K group member. US drone operators tracked a white Toyota for 8 hours based on intel that it belonged to an ISIS-K operative who was planning attacks at the Kabul airport. In what the Pentagon called a tragic mistake, Kenneth McKenzie, chief of US Central Command, admitted that the drone strike killed civilians in Afghanistan's capital. Apologizing to the relatives of the civilians killed, the top general said that America would learn from its grave mistake. As part of America's counterterrorism operations, drone strikes against targets are common. But concerningly, so have been collateral deaths of civilians. America witnessed a rise in drone strikes during former President Barack Obama's dual terms, superseded by Donald Trump by over 400%. Even though hundreds of civilian deaths have been reported over the years, UK NGO Air Wars reveals that America's airstrikes occur more frequently in Iraq and Syria. The US military has been accused of killing civilians in its military operations. Human rights groups further state that US drone strikes are often conducted in rural areas, away from watchful eyes or eyewitnesses. Despite its murky record, America refuses to acknowledge the plight of victims' families. Meager compensations are hastily paid, and when an investigation does take place, it is often slammed for being weak and heavily tilted in favor of the aggressor.